Hello friends, today we are making Daliya Payasam. Made using cracked wheat, this recipe is ideal for any festive season or celebration. It is aromatic, creamy and quintessential. It is a healthier alternative to any rice or vermicelli kheer. The recipe uses jaggery instead of sugar, which is less processed and iron rich. It is topped with coconut and peanut and is flavored using rose petals. You may choose to have it post a meal or combine it with multigrain or banana bread for added flavor. So let us see how to make this amazingly delicious Daliya Payasam.